We're over at the Ikea car park at the lift there. I tried pushing the button for the one that's blocked off, nothing's happening to it, it beeped though.
Let's see.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, so cold.
See, whenever I press the button, nothing's happening.
Oops, what do you think that means?
Probably a modernisation or something.
Where's the indicators up to?
It says it's that too. So this one here is still in service, we're probably going to ride that one.
You want to film it?
Yeah, let's film this one. And just left. I think it's going to be a busy lift, so yeah, it's over at 0 now. Because normally whenever I usually press the button for a blocked off lift in Ikea, it usually opens, so let's hear. Okay. Alright, we're back at the lift again. We were just filming a helicopter taking off, so I'm gonna go back and get this. This could be our final ride on the old Schindlers. Here it is. The big lift. Here we are back at 0. Oh, I pressed the door open there by accident. Thought it was the door closed. Yeah, that's probably the voice which is broken at the moment.
Where did the telephone microphone?
Ah, right. We'll take one more ride back down and then back up again. So yeah, as you can tell at the beginning of the video, the other lift is out of service. Not sure what's happened to the other one, we'll have to find out. Okay, we'll end up in 2. Oh yeah, here's the other buttons here. This button light is burnt out, it looks like. Oh, it isn't. Just glitching for some reason. And we're here too. There we go. See if the bell will ring. No, it doesn't ring. Okay, and not to Schindler, and that's it. Hold on, I can't stop.